Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp out of paper. Fold a square sheet into a basic base to begin shaping the body and tail. Start with clean, precise creases and work slowly to form segments. Use small snips for the tail and gentle curves for the abdomen. Attach thin strips for legs and antennae and add a light marker wash to suggest shading and texture for a realistic finish. Begin by folding the paper lengthwise and narrowing the center to form the shrimp silhouette. Use squash folds to bulk the head and define the midsection, keeping folds small and consistent. Trim the tail into a tapered triangle and fan the edges gently for a lifelike spread. Crimp the abdomen with shallow pinches to create segment lines, then attach small paper strips for legs and antennae for finishing touches. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more craft videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to play calming music or step-by-step instructions while you fold, which makes crafting more fun and hands-free. It's compact, sounds great, and fits easily near your workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Add color by applying a diluted marker or watercolor wash to create natural gradients and highlights. Emphasize shell segmentation with a fine marker and place tiny eye dots near the head for character. For a subtle glossy finish and extra durability, apply a thin clear coat after the dye fully dries. Handle the paper gently while painting to avoid warping, and layer color gradually to maintain crisp, realistic tones for your paper shrimp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.